Is owned by Chris Ladon. He works in our distribution center. He called me this morning, and he told me he was at the bank. He was leaving the bank, and the car shut off on him. He also told me prior to that he had some issues starting the vehicle when he left the hardware store. He had to wait about an hour. The vehicle started right back up. These are classic symptoms of a crankshaft position failure on these models. And, you know, when the sensor heats up, you end up with an open, car stalls or it won't start. And then what'll happen is when it cools down, car will start again. But before we go down that road, I need to make sure that the battery voltage is okay, and I want to make sure that we don't have any funky issues with the charging system. That's what we want to look into first. What I'm going to do is show you how to use the live data in the climate control module to very quickly and without any special tools determine if you have sufficient battery voltage and get a quick and dirty reference for if the charging system is functioning. So to do that, we're going to put the key in the ignition. We will turn it to position 2, hold down the rest button. Brings us to data PID 1, which is the interior temperature. 105 degrees, it's quite steamy in here right now. We'll use this button to go to data PID 24, which is the battery voltage. 24, we got 12.2 volts, more than sufficient to start a car if the amperage is there. Next thing we're going to do is start the car and see if the charging system is functioning. So the car starts right up. It's idling. I have voltage between 13 and 14 volts. It's very safe to assume that the charging system and the battery is okay, and Chris probably needs a crankshaft position sensor.